In a pot, add 6 cups of water, cover it and bring it to a boil. Into that, add 10 tea bags. I'm using black tea bags. Turn the heat off, cover it and brew for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, discard the tea bags and add sugar if you want while it's hot. Into that, add 4 cups of water and stir it well. Once it's cooled down, leave it in the refrigerator and serve cold with a choice of lemon or orange wedges for your choice. Thanks for joining. See you again soon with an awesome recipe. Till then, goodbye.